Hi, this is Ritnika all again from Nile Migration, your personal immigration consultant. Today, we are here to discuss about these certain facts about how to apply for Canada immigration process. Now, Canada, you must be thinking about it, how does the process works and what points that we need to consider for. First of all, when we talk about Canada, the process which is running throughout current is Canada Express Entry. Now, what is Canada Express Entry? Canada Express Entry is a pool system where we put down your application into the Express Entry pool, which is a very quick application process system which takes approx 6 months to get completed. But how do we apply that? Okay. Now, when we talk about the application process, we need to start with your ECA first, that is Education Credential Assessment, which is the verification of your basic education documents starting from your class 10th till your highest qualification, you call it PhD or anything apart from that, which is assessed by an authority in Canada, that is WES, that is World Education Society. And once the verification is done, and it takes approx 45 days to 2 months for the verification to be completed, and they charge a very minimum fees of Canadian dollars 322. Once the verification is done, we move towards the next level of process, that is EOI. Similar to a pool system as I just mentioned, we put down your application in an Express Entry pool where you enter the Job Bank of Canada. Now, what do you call as the Job Bank of Canada? In Job Bank of Canada, there is a portal which is accessed by every employer in Canada who can view whatever information you have added into that portal. That includes your education, your employment, your language, which is aware with you, that is IELTS examination. And on the same basis, you get invited. It can be through a job offer letter, that if any employer finds your profile suitable as per their requirement, they can give you a job offer letter, which can be a good opportunity for you. Or else you can get nominated on the basis of CRS point system. Now, CRS point system is a point system where it is assessed on the basis of your age, qualification, experience, language, and additional points like spouse, language, her education. If you have any blood relative, any sibling in Canada who can give you a sponsorship in terms of and points from there. So on the basis of the same, the points are calculated. So you can get nominated by the same CRS point system. And there are other several ways through which you can get nominated. That is the PNP nomination, Provincial Nominee Program, in which there are different provinces in Canada, like you must have heard about like Ontario, you have heard about Quebec, you have heard about New Brunswick, British Columbia, Manitoba, Prince Edward. So these are the provinces which gives you the invitation if you are into the following criteria. Now, once you get the invitation, either of by the three factors, you get the invitation, and as soon as you get the invitation, you get 90 days of time to file your visa. At that time, you have to pay your visa fees. That is a very minimum fees again, that is Canadian dollars 550. There is a fees charged for right to travel fees, that is Canadian dollars 490. That's it. And for more information, if you want to know about more about Canada, how the entire process takes place and how the process details and everything, you can just log into our website, that is www.nilemigration.com. Thank you.